Do you want to know how to see your reposts on TikTok? Well, then you are into the right video, because in this video, I will show you how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So we will open up our TikTok application and let's repost this video here. So we will click on this share icon, and here you can see this option which is repost. So we will repost this video. Okay, and now here it says that you reposted this video. Now on TikTok there is not any official way to actually check your reposted videos, but there is a little trick or the little work that we can do. Okay, so the video that we have reposted here, we have to actually save this video. Okay, so we will actually tap on this icon here, and now we have saved this video. Okay, and then we will go into the profile here, and then we will go into the collections here. Okay, just wait a second, and we will click on collections here. Okay, and now we will click on create new collection, and we will name it like reposted videos. Okay, and then we will click on tick, and if you want you can actually make this public as well. So we will click on next here, and our new collection is made. So now the video that we have just reposted and we have just saved is at the top, and we know that we have just reposted this video. So we will just simply tap on this one and click on add videos. Okay, so now this video has been saved into our reposted videos. And now if we go back again, and let's suppose we repost any other video here. So let's suppose if I want to repost this video here, I will just click on share and then repost here. Then again I will go into my profile and I will open up this reposted videos. Okay, and I will click on manage videos here, then I will click on add videos here. So we all know that we have just saved this video here. I think it's here somewhere, it should be here somewhere. Okay, let me just again click on this one. Let's save this one. Okay, we haven't saved this one. Okay, so we will just save this one here, and then again we will go into our profile, again to our reposted videos here, again manage videos, add videos, and we have just reposted this video. Okay, because we haven't saved this one be, before that, why it was not showing here. So when we again tap on this here, click on add videos, so now it is added to our reposted videos. So this is a little trick that how you can actually like see your reposted videos on TikTok. But maybe in future TikTok will make an option to actually view your reposted videos. So that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed our video today, and you can show us your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of question regarding this video, you can ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you have a fantastic day.